Yes. Namaste. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Yes. Adapt chin mudra. Close your eyes. Deep inhale and exhale. Close your eyes. When inhale, stomach outside. Exhale, inside. Do it 10 times. After 10 breaths, slowly come to normal breathe. Rub your palms. Shubhodaya to all of you. Yes. Monday, it's very difficult to get up. I know because of Saturday, Sunday will be relaxed mood. So just both hands up. Okay. Gently twist on your right side and left side. Do it 6 breathe. Yes. Right side 6 breathe, left side 6 breathe. Do it two times. Vikram, not like that. I showed you. Left hand should be right thighs. Right hand should be back side. Put a cup shape. Vikram, your left hand should be right thighs. Correct. Gently twist on your right side. Yes. Yes. Slowly come up. Okay. Now today's breathing part. Okay, breathing. Lie down on your mat. Okay, I will show you how to do. Yes. If not space in your home, you can sit and do. Okay. If anyone does not have space. Okay. Lie down on your mat. Okay. Hands shoulder level stretch. Gently close your eyes and stretch breathing. Okay. In sleeping pose. Both hands namaskara mudra, leg apart. Okay, 3 times normal inhale and exhale. Gently close your eyes. Inhale, hand stretch. Exhale, come up. Okay, do it 21 times. Yes, all of you. Hand shoulder level, hand stretch. You can feel it. First namaskara mudra. Elbow straight, hand elbow straight. Start 21 times. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Will be continuous. Very slowly. No fast. You can feel your breathing. You can feel your hand movement. You can feel your blood circulation in your body. Gently close your eyes. When exhale, no hurry, only slowly. You can feel it, inhalation and exhalation. What are changes going on? Sorry. Yes. If you finish 21 times, relax your hand. Otherwise, we continue. You can feel your chest breathing also. Good. All are doing very nice, actually. This breathing is good for relaxation in your body, completely body. And mind will be fresh. Yes. If you done, okay, relax your body, feel it, then come back. Yes. If you finish, slowly turn and come up. Yes. ಸೌಮ್ಯ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್?
Is it fine if you are going 10 minutes late?
8:20 ಗೆ ಬಿಡಬಹುದಾ?
Is everyone okay?
Thank you.
Okay, done.
Okay, thank you so much. ಯಾರು okay. Fine. Thank you. Today I will show you, last class I showed you Chaduranga Dandasana. Anyone practiced Chaduranga Dandasana to your home? Anyone in weekends? Yes. Oh, only one person? One more? I want. Okay, 2%. Yes. Anyone else? Okay, who are practiced? You can talk me directly. Yes, Manikantam. Yeah. Tell me, how did you feel it, that asana?
First day it was tough, but yesterday it was quite easy.
Okay.
I played your video, then I practiced.
Okay, very good. Okay, thank you. Over to Rajat sir.
No problem.
Okay, anything difficulty?
No problem.
Okay, going down, that was hand balancing. Okay, that is the main highlight of the Surya Namaskar, sun salutation. Okay, beauty of the sun salutation is Chaduranga Dandasana. Okay, thank you. Next, today I will teach you Dvipada Prasaranasana. Okay, today I will show you Uttanasana, Chaduranga Dandasana, and one more is Dvipada Prasaranasana. Okay, I will show you first with Dvipada Prasaranasana, then go forward to Uttanasana and Chaduranga Dandasana. Okay. If you have anyone knee pain, okay, you can put on your knee blanket. That's what I will put. I don't have knee pain, but I want to show anyone. Anyone have knee pain, you can put on your knee blanket or small pillow. Anything okay. Fine. Okay, Vipada Prasaranasana. Okay, first go into Ekapada Prasaranasana. First right leg forward, left leg back. Okay, go to Dvipada Prasaranasana. Yes, back leg straight, front leg join. One more time, I will show you. First Ekapada Prasaranasana, back leg, toes inside and leg straight, and front leg join, look forward, tighten your, squeeze your buttocks tight. Yes, each leg 5 times you have to practice it. Yes, go to Ekapada Prasaranasana. Hand middle leg. Okay, hand middle leg. Correct. Toes outside, look forward, chest up, navel up. Correct, Soumya. Good. Push your buttocks front. Be there only 2 minutes. Now back leg straight, toes inside, back leg straight, front leg back. Look forward. Back leg straight, front leg join. Yes, Divya, correct. Narayan sir, look forward little bit. You are now correct. Sanjay sir, correct. Yes. Soumya, Vipada Prakaranasana. Back leg straight, front leg back. Yes, look forward. Hip parallel to the ground. Hip down. hip down. Yes, little bit down. Yes. Here, Ramesh sir, back leg straight, front leg back. Front leg back. Look forward. Okay. If you done anyone, please practice it each leg five times. Then you can get easy. Back leg straight, front leg back. Leg straight, Manikantam sir. Yes. Correct. Look forward. Prabhat sir. Back leg straight, then front leg back. Okay. Relax. Relax. One more time, I will show you. Somebody mistaken, so I will show you. Please, you can see carefully. Okay, come to Vajrasana. Okay, first right leg forward. Okay, this is Ekapada Prakaranasana. You can see perfectly my asana. This is very good stretch. Okay, then Vipada means toes inside, leg straight. Okay, press your palm, just not like that, this much only, look forward. Okay, then go forward to child pose. Yes, try it. Hip push, hip push. Correct. Now toes inside, back leg toes inside. Yes, leg straight. Correct. Now all are doing very nice. Correct, Vikram. Divya, correct. Hip little bit up. Narayan sir, correct. Shivraj sir, correct. Sanjay sir, right? Yes. Slowly come back to child pose. Okay. Relax. Relax in Sukhasana. This is Dvipada Prasaranasana. Okay. After Uttanasana, after Ekapada Prakaranasana, then I will talk. Okay. Now perfect pose of Ekapada Prakaranasana. Okay. Now both leg. Okay. Already I teached you Ekapada Prakaranasana. Now also I teach. Yes. Right leg forward. If you want, I will show you. Otherwise, you can try it. Correct. Right leg forward. Left leg completely back. Toes outside. Knee touch on the ground. Vikram, you can try. If you have anyone knee pain, those people only you can put mat. Otherwise, no. Here, very important is push your buttocks front. Look up, chest up, navel up. Breathe normally. Press your palm firmly. Finger split and press your palm firmly. This is very good for digestive system also. Be there only. I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Now change the leg. This is very good for back pain also. You are doing perfectly. Then only you can get benefit. Yes. Now count. 1, 2, 3, 4, Saumya, you are doing only, now we are doing Ekapada Prasaranasana, left leg forward. 6, 7, 8. Divya, push your buttocks front. Look up. 9, 10. Yes, slowly come back. Child pose. Yes. Over to Sanjay sir. Yes, open your voice. You can show me one more time. You did nice actually. Yes. You can follow how hip will be pushed. Yes. Show me sir. Right leg forward. Yes. Push your buttocks front. Little bit. One more time. Push, push. Okay. You can see Divya. Yeah. Okay, slowly come back, sir. Thank you. Yes, that's what I see. All who are doing very well. Okay, you can try it. Okay, this is very good for hip flexion and lower back backache reduce. Yes. Now, one more Uttanasana I will show you. Then afterwards I will talk. Okay. Today's Uttanasana is, you can see your 4 fingers or 5 fingers, how much you are flexible. Okay, inside your leg and look forward. Yes, this is original technique of Iyengar yoga style. Okay, leg apart, hand stretch and lock tighten your kneecap. Come to half Uttanasana and put a cup shape. Then your both, if possible, both the palm should be down. If not possible, just 4 fingers, look forward. Breathe normally, tighten your kneecap. And slowly same, put a cup shape, half Uttanasana and slowly come to Tadasana, relax your body. Yes. Step by step only. How much possible you can try it. No force anyone. You can feel your lower back. Tighten your kneecap, Soumya. All knee should be tightened. Don't bend your knee. Leg straight. You can feel it. Very good asana. All are doing very nice. You can breathe very deeply. In this pose, you can breathe very deeply. Knee tighten, don't bend your knee, anyone, please. Yes, slowly come back, put a cup shape, and then come back to half Uttanasana, then come back to Tadasana, relax your hand, and relax, sit in Sukhasana. If you want, you can go child pose, relax. Otherwise, sit in Sukhasana only. Yes. Now over to you. 3 asanas over. Anyone so much difficulty, those people first you can talk. Then all of you. Yes. Talk directly. Yes. If anyone difficulty, those people first you can talk. Yes, or message me. Not able to bend completely, madam. Okay, no problem. He said not able to completely bend. Okay, no problem, because of flexibility. Your flexibility, no problem. Just you are doing nice, actually, no problem. Yes. Over to first Ramesh sir. Yes, you can talk. Is there any difficulty?
Yeah, actually, the fingers I cannot put in the toes, like under
No
that.
problem, no
But
issue.
only touch that, I can touch it just, but I
Okay,
cannot able to put inside the toes, like under the toes.
no
And,
problem. Good.
and one more thing is, when I do that, my left stomach little left my stomach left side something
Any catches?
some clutch. I feel something like.
Okay,
Then I
no
stop.
problem. That's what all of you do, twisting immediately. Yes. Two times immediately. Be there only. Be there only. Right side 6 breathe. Left side 6 breathe. Okay. Okay. Slowly come up. Okay. If any problems, sir, nothing. Okay. Next over to Soumya first. Any difficulty?
This hand movement, no ma'am, complete refreshment for me.
Which one?
This hand movement, when I was trying to keep it on the foot, when I got up, when I came to normal pose, I could sense the full blood circulation. Some kind
Show
of
me. Show
some
me.
kind of.
Show
Sorry,
me. Show me.
should I show the asana?
Yes.
Okay. First, we need to stretch legs apart. Uttanasana.
Hmm.
Then make a
These
cup
are
shape.
full Uttanasana only, variations. Yes.
Cup shape.
Yes. Yes. Tighten your kneecap. If you are flexible, bend your head. Tighten your kneecap. Look at her asana. Now move on your body weight. Come to front. Okay. Good try. Thank you. Yes. Slowly come back. Step by step only you have to come. Yes. Slowly come back. Thank you. Why step by step? Today I showed you no catch up, only some 1 or 2 members. Okay, and flexible more step by step when you are doing. Okay, thank you. If anyone have doubts, you can ask me. Okay. Otherwise, I go forward to next asana, Ekapada Prasaranasana. That is hip flexion will be coming. Someone has a little bit pain in hip, does not matter. You can practice regularly, then you can get more flexible. Okay. One more thing is very highlight of the asana is Vipada Prasaranasana. Okay. Hip parallel to the ground. Okay, that was all are doing very nicely. Actually, I saw all Vipada Prasaranasana. Today, you can show me one more person, Divya. Yes, Divya, show me Vipada Prakaranasana. You can see all of you carefully. Huh. Oh. Ah. You can observe anyone, please. Why I am saying Divya only? Why? What are the mistake? You can find out yourself. That's what I told Divya only. Okay, you can see her asana. Okay, slowly come back, Divya. Oh, anyone you can talk? What are the mistake Divya did? Anyone? If anyone doubt, anyone guess me and tell. Okay. Yes. No one guess. Okay. One mistake is there. Parallel, hip parallel to the ground. Her lower back will be very down. Hip parallel to the ground. Okay. Like that we have to do. Okay. One more person today you can show me. Yes, Rajat sir. You did very nice. Actually, show me, sir. Divya, you can watch this. That's what. Yes. Very carefully. All of you can see now back leg. Yes. Toes inside. Yes. You can do. No, 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 sir. Little bit. Back leg straight and front leg back. Yes. Yeah. Hip parallel to the ground. Yes. Correct. You can see all of you, his hip parallel to the ground only, perfectly. Yes, thank you. Yes. Now relax in all of you one more time, child pose, all of you. Yes, child pose only, all of you, 2 seconds, child pose only. Yes, slowly come back. Okay. Today, I will show you one more asana, new asana, Gomukasana. Gomukha means that is Sanskrit word, cow pose. Okay, cow pose. How to do? I will show you sitting pose only. Okay. First you can see, then I will explain you and you can follow it. Yes. Yes. Both leg forward, first right leg down crosswise and left leg lies. Okay, this. When right leg down, no, right hand up. Okay, and left hand should be back and hold your finger, look forward. If not possible, hold your towel or any belt, something. If possible, hold your finger, look forward. And the main important is your left knee and right knee should be parallel. Not possible, no problem. Put a butterfly or sukhasana, anything. Same pose only, you can try. Yes, right. This is very, very good pose. Gomukhasana. Good try. If possible, full hand shall be locked. Anyone have so much flexible? Two times you can try it. If you have does not lock your hand, you can put a belt or towel hold. Okay, stretch it. Look forward. That is main benefit is it chest stretches your chest. Main important benefit is look forward. Yes. How much you possible you can try it. No forcibly. Back straight. Look forward. Very important. If not possible, hold your hand. No problem. You can just leg movement. You can try. Hip down, sir. Narayan, sir. Hip should be down. Hip down on the ground. No problem. Not possible also, no problem. One on single leg you have to fold at least. If anyone have any pain, no problem. You can try, then will come. Your shoulder hand will be straight. Upper. Yes. Slowly come forward, both leg forward. Yes. Relax your leg and hand. Okay. Over to Vikram. Okay, you can talk. Any difficulty this asana in your part?
No, actually, I was very happy. I was able to lock my hands.
Oh, very good. Show me backside. You can show me. Ha. Ha. Then stretch more. If you easy, stretch your both shoulder, upper and downward shoulder. Stretch. Yes, interlock the finger. Thank you. If anyone, any difficulties, okay, you can talk me. Sit straight. Sit straight. All of you sit straight. Yes. If anyone doubt or any difficulty in this asana, those people only you can talk. Otherwise, okay. Gently sit in Sukhasana. Yes. Now move on to all of you. Butterfly pose. It is called Baddha Konasana. Yes. Yes. Now flip your thighs, all of you, 21 times. Correct. Back straight. After 21 time, relax your thighs. Otherwise, we continue. Yes. Here also, you can, back will be straight. Back not like that. Back will be straight. Yes. Now relax your body if you're done. Okay, today is abdomen, little bit abdomen. Last time I showed you 90, 60, 30. Today we can practice little bit fast. Okay, I will show you. That is good for abdomen exercise. Asana. Yes. That is leg rising, 90, 60, 30. Yes. If you have anyone back pain, okay, you can put on your lower back, okay, and then lie down on your mat, okay. Hand side of the body are upward, you, whatever your wish, okay. Yes. Just fold your leg, okay. First step, right leg up, down, left leg up, down. Then comfortable, yes. Both legs up, 90 degree, be there only, down. And both legs up, 60 degree, forehead level, down. Then both legs up, 30 degree, here, down. Now I will count 90, 60, 30. Okay. Slowly we can do and then fast. Yes. Lie down. Yes. Just fold your leg first. Fold your leg. Yes. Right leg up. Down. Left leg up. Down. Then comfortable. Both leg forward. Yes. Slowly lift your both legs 90 degree. Both hands up, upward or down. Anything. Okay. Tighten your kneecap. Toes towards the chest. Okay. Down. Completely down. Both legs down. Then go forward to both legs up 60 degree. I mean forehead level. Toes towards the chest. Down. Down. Now inhale, lift your 30 degree only. Toes towards the chest. Toes. Down. Okay. Good. Now little bit fast. Okay. 90, 60, 30. Continuously. Okay. Join your leg. 90. Slightly bend. Not possible. Slightly bend your knee. 60. Forehead level. 30. Down. Be there 30. No, not full down. Okay. One more time. Okay. Join your leg. Inhale. Lift both legs up 90 degree. Be there only. Toes towards the chest. 60. 30. Relax. Relax 1 second. One more 2 times I will do. I will explain you. Yes. You can feel it your tummy. Yes. One more time. Both hands up. Join your leg. Little bit fast. Yes. Join your leg. Okay. Feel it. Okay. Both legs up. 90 degree. Those people possible. You can try. No hurry. Okay. 60. 30. Okay. 60. 30. Down. Relax. Completely relax. You can feel the breath. You can feel your leg movements and you can feel your abdomen. slowly, gradually, I will explain you little bit fast, not now. You can feel it. Yes. Slowly come to normal breathe, turn and come up. If anyone has pain, those people only you can talk. Otherwise, I will go forward to another asana. This is leg rising actually. Okay. Slowly, I will increase the numbers also. Leg rising is very important, and you can feel your tummy. Okay. Anybody have any difficulty to do 90, 60, 30? You can talk. Otherwise, I will go forward to today very special twisting pose I will show you. Okay. That is Bharadwajasana twisting. Did you hear name any historical? Bharadwaja. I already told you name of the asanas is trees names and Rishi's name. Bharadwaja Muni name. Okay, Rishi's name is in I think so Ramayana Mahabharata is coming. Okay, that is okay. That name is introduced in yoga only because of yoga is history, ancient. That was no flowers name, nothing. Okay, I already told you. Yes, I will show you very good stretching for twisting force. Okay, Bharadwajasana twisting force. Yes, both leg forward. First right leg fold. Okay, then left leg. I will show you here also. Yes. Now, this leg. Okay. Now both hands up. Twist your right side. Left hand should be right side. Right hand should be put a cup shape and twist your waist. How much you are flexible. Okay. And slowly come back and change your leg and change your hand also. Okay. Here also I will show you. Deep inhale and exhale and slowly come back. Yes, try it. No, not like that, Vikram. Both legs forward. First right leg down. Inside. Inside the leg. No, not like that. Both legs forward. You did not see. Then up. This one, correct. Now is correct. All of you done. Correct. Opposite side twisting, sir. Opposite side twisting. Who is that? Yes, correct, sir. Vikram, your back hand should be near to your body. Near to your back only. Your back hand should be put a cup shape near to your back. Okay, slowly wapas. You have to come. I will show you. You can see properly. Yes, first right leg inside, left leg. Somebody is doing same twisting. No, back opposite side. You have to twist. Now, Vikram, see, you are doing this. No, here only you have to put. Then back will be straight and twist near to your back. Yes, try this. Good. In morning twisting you are doing, no, very energy will be coming. Yes, Soumya is doing very nice twisting. Okay, all are done, over. Not like this, Prabhat sir. Sorry. Both leg forward, Prabhat sir. I will correct it. Prabhat sir. Both leg forward. Both leg forward. Yes, first right leg fold inside. No, not like that. Not like that. Inside the leg. Yes. Then this leg will be up. Correct. Opposite side twisting. Correct. The upward leg will be inside the leg. If any have difficulty, no problem. Okay, twist opposite side. Okay. Opus, I will show you one more time. You can see properly. Yes. See, right leg inside, not side, inside right leg, then left leg, then not same side, opposite. Only Prabhat sir is mistake. You have to practice it. No problem. It will come next time. You can try. Now perfect. Because I want all are 100%. Yes. Okay. Slowly come to Sukhasana. Thank you. Yes. Now already I showed you Paschimottanasana. Okay. Paschimottanasana. Last class I teached forward bending. Yes. Okay. Both leg forward. All of you know. Paschimottanasana. You can try. Yes, correct. Yes, both hands up. Lock your hands. Inhale, exhale, bend forward. Yes, bend forward. Be there only. Today's last asana. Yes, go slowly come back to go to Shavasana, all of you. Relax your whole body. Completely relax. Slowly inhalation and slowly exhalation. You can feel it. Yes. Slowly come back to normal breathe. Shake your leg finger, hand finger, left leg fold and slowly come back. Yes. Today's, if you have anyone catch up gently one side, one time twisting. Yes. Otherwise, sit in Sukhasana. If you have, okay. Today's special pranayama is Nadi Shodhana pranayama. Okay, it was good for dust allergy and cleansing your body and in your body. Okay, in your neck part or anything, cleansing your body, clean up your body. Okay, you can first I will show you okay how to do, then you can try it only for 5 rounds. Okay, if not possible 3 rounds only. Yes, this is chin mudra. Yes, over to Sanjay. Okay, which mudra? Sanjay. Yes, yes, sorry, Shivaraj. Shivaraj, which mudra? Shivaraj.
Nashika Mudra.
Huh?
Nashika Mudra.
Okay, thank you. I will ask everyone. Okay, be alert. The mudra's name. Yes, one is chin mudra. This is Nasika mudra. Okay, I will show you. I am teaching Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, simple technique. Okay, gently close your right nostril. Inhale to the left. Again, close your left nostril. Exhale to the right. Again, inhale to the right. Close your right nostril. Exhale to the left. Okay. This is one circle. Okay. All of you, first I will explain you, then you can start. Okay. Then you can try only 5 rounds. If not possible, you can try 6 rounds, 3 rounds. Your both right hand should be shoulder level only. Not like that. If not possible, you can reduce your elbow. Otherwise, here only. Yes, try it. If you have any back pain, you can sit on your chair or sofa, anything. Otherwise, be continue. Chin towards the chest. Very important. Don't lift your chin. Chin should be down, Vikram. You can feel it breathing. If you done, relax your hand. If not done, it can continue. Only just 3 or 5 times. That's all. Yes. How did you feel? How did you feel? Anyone, 1 or 2 members, this Nadi Shodhana Pranayama? Okay. How did you feel in your body? You can talk openly. Voluntary, you can talk. Anyone. I will not put any name. Okay. Voluntary, you can talk. How did you feel this experience, Nadi Shodhana Pranayama? Otherwise, I will ask, name them. Yes. Over to Narayan sir. Matadi. Yes.
It was a good.
Okay. Any
No.
difficulty in breathing?
No difference.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Yes. Over to pranayama. Sorry, prayer. Namaskar mudra. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. One more thing I will explain you. In you are doing pranayama now, sometimes sneezing is coming. No problem. That was in your inner body. Dust will come to sneezing. Don't worry. Okay, sneezing coming, it means negadi anta heltare, nose inda. Okay, don't mind. The in inner body have any dust, that will come to sneezing only. Okay. Yes. Over to Soumya. If you have anyone doubts, you can talk me. Otherwise, over to Soumya. Yes. Soumya. Hello. Soumya.
Hello, hi, yeah. So yeah, it was good, Ashwini. I know we started little late, but it was good. A lot of stretch today. I'm also feeling little good with a lot of energy. Hope
One more thing
everybody is
is,
comfortable.
in asana, if you not correct any one person, single one person, that is not, I want all of you do perfectly, 100%. That's what one asana I teach 3-4 times. Because I want all of you done. Try. Yes. Over to something.
Okay, how is everyone feeling? Is it feeling good, comfortable? Good. Yeah, lots of thumbs up. Anyways, we are late today. Have a happy working. Have a happy Monday. Have a good day. Stay healthy. Stay safe.
Yes. Nangadu confirm ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸೌಮ್ಯ?
Yeah, I will confirm you, Ashwini.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Wait, na call ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.